So a little trick I did this year is I could not find any habaneros this year and no seeds. So what I decided to do was to go to my Jungle Gyms. It's a kind of like a produce market slash grocery store, and I bought an habanero. And I've already done that, so I'm kind of trying to show you what I did with the Carolina Reaper. What I did was I bought the pepper, the habanero pepper, for 15 cents. So I just cut the top off like that, and then I cut it in half. Now this has been in the freezer for years, so it's not in very good shape. But you can see where the seeds were. And so what I did is got a cup, and all I did was place the pepper right in there, covered it with dirt, like that, and then watered it. So after a few weeks, I put each half in its own cup. Voila! I have probably close to 30 habanero plants for 15 cents. That's a good deal. The only risk you take with this is if anything was growing near the habaneros, then it could end up being mixed with that pepper. But since I bought this from the store, I feel pretty comfortable. It was an habanero field, and these will all be habaneros. So the next step I do is take the plants, and I will just pour it out like this. And these are very hardy plants, can easily take the transplanting. And so as you can see, I'm actually kind of surprised, but the actual pepper is gone. Wow, must have ate it up. Anyway, so what you can do, one at a time, take the plant out. These, poke a hole down in there for the root to go into. This is not like a tomato plant where you can plant it up as far as you can. You want to basically keep the dirt level the same on it. It doesn't have to be perfect as long as you're close. And then you have an habanero plant. So what I'll do is I'll go through all these and put them into all those cups over there, and I will end up having more habanero plants than I need. So I'm going to go ahead and do that, and then once I do it, I'll get back to you. Okay, so I got one cup done, and to show you how I do this next cup, basically just sticking my finger down for the hole. So I do that in all the cups first, and when you take the cup out, just pour it out, and you're going to have all these plants. Now you can't just rip these apart, you just want to kind of tap on them and try to save as much of the root as you can. Get the root down in there, and then cover it up, and voila. Okay, now I'm putting these in solo cups, which is not the smartest thing to do because these do not drain. So you got to be careful watering. You don't want to overwater them. I had a whole bunch of plants this year that I started like this and overwatered them. So there's a shot of the root there. Overwatered them, and a whole bunch of them died. And I'm pretty sure it's because these cups do not drain. And between it being overwatered and it being kind of cool over the winter, not getting enough sun, it kind of got moldy, killed the plants, and that obviously is a problem. Now also, I do recommend you start these, I mean it's what, April 10th today, so I got quite a late start on these. I should have started these probably in January. Like I said, I couldn't find seeds anywhere, so once I finally got the right seeds, that's when I started. Got But these are very hot plants. They love the heat. They're going to take a while to grow before they start producing, but I should have enough time by the end of the year to get plenty off of it, at least for what I need. Probably give some of these away. I don't really think I need all these habanero pepper plants. So here's the last one. Now I'll come back in a couple weeks and show you how these are growing. It's cooler here than it's supposed to be this time of year, so I'm going to have a real challenge trying to find somewhere to put these to get enough sun. But okay, so 15 cents, got myself 20 pepper plants and saved me a lot of money. It's a lot of work. You can just go and buy these from the store, obviously, when they're already full grown, but this is a lot more fun, a lot cheaper. So thanks for watching the video. If you liked it, be sure to comment, subscribe, and if anybody has any other suggestions, I'd love to hear them, or anything, just let me know. Thanks for watching.